Hey guys, it's Caroline. Welcome to Real Estate with Caroline. Today I'm going to take you through a community called Tennis Club over here in Fort Lauderdale. It's situated just along South Middle River, which you're seeing behind me. Beautiful views from the community. This community is guard gated. You have 8 buildings. You have tennis and pickleball courts. You do get tennis memberships included with your association dues. They have a pro shop, clubhouse, restaurant with hot food and drinks. So let's get started. Now we're going to go into the actual unit and take a tour of what a typical 2-bedroom, 2-bath would look like in this community. So you have 2 doors, and the reason being is one of the doors is for the secondary bedroom, so you can have its own entrance. So when you walk into the unit, completely remodeled, you have diagonal porcelain tile. I'm walking through. This is the living and dining room area. But I want to show you. So this would be your guest bath next to your guest bedroom. They are moving, so they have storage. But what I like about this place is, see how you have the pocket door? That pocket door could stay closed, and now you have the bedroom, a hall closet. There's obviously a closet in the bedroom, and that full bathroom, and this could be closed off. And that second door entrance, that is in this bedroom. I'm not going to open those, but I just wanted to show you that it's there. So now this is your front door where you would come into the whole place. That's the kitchen, dining, living, screened in patio. The master bedroom is to the left towards the back. And if you come through and see the kitchen, it's all stainless steel appliances, soft close cabinets, beautiful countertops and backsplash, cooktop, microwave, and you even have pantry here. So lots of space. And now we'll walk through. You can see from this angle, this is where he has his TV. This is where they have their TV. And we will come through to the master bedroom. Beautiful. Both bedrooms are very large. You have a walk-in closet in here as well. Moving boxes are in there, so I'm trying to hide those. I know people like to see the closet space. I would. So I want to give you a glimpse, and just beautifully redone. All completely remodeled. You walk out. A very quiet backyard area. This unit happens to be towards the back of the building. That's also Middle River. You have your own entrance. If you want to come in through here, you can do that as well. So just wanted to show you that. Come back through. One more tour of a lovely 2-bedroom, 2 full bath in downtown Fort Lauderdale for under $300,000. We'll walk back out. Through. See the nice landscaping, manicured lawns. Beautiful patio area. barbecue area, mailboxes, and it sounds like people are getting back to playing tennis. Let's go take a look. This is how you would get to the courts, the clubhouse, and the gym. They have a pro shop in there. You should bring your own rackets, but people do forget them, and they will let you use them if you don't have one. And you'll see everybody hanging out because they can't play. It's Florida and it rained, but they were playing earlier. So we'll take you through here. If you wanted to order, they do have food. So you can hang out by the pool, have some drinks, and eat some food. And you see the pool. See if I can escape here. We have a covered seating area here. And you have the pro shop here. Here you can buy a few things. It's just me again. How are you? But you can here and order and play. Okay, thank you. So I'm walking through the tennis courts again. And back to the community. We just want to sit and enjoy the views here. There is a bench, and you can do so. I really hope you enjoyed the tour of this community. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It would really help me out. And if there's a community you'd like me to tour, please leave it in the comments below and I'll add it to my list. Thanks for watching.